A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica versus game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About do Mr. Kapalat, you don't know that.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica? Give me here with another reaction. Ooh. Today we're with Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man, the teacher himself. Yeah, man, the king of dancehall. Yeah, man, with GUAPI. Yes, official visualizer. GUAPI. Jump in the one and see what going on. Let's go. All right. Let's go. Vybz Kartel, GUAPI.
Hold on.
GUAPI shoes for me jeans, that's right. GUAPI everything so they treat them right.
Yo. Teacher, we know say that Jamaica put out the work. So you're busy and can't do music videos. But don't drop the song them until they can give you music videos. You see me? 13 years we go without Kartel videos. We need the videos them, bro. We don't want an AI video, bro. We don't want an AI bumbuckler video for them song, your dog. You alright? So that one, I'm gonna make it pass, cause we know where Jamaica put in the work, so obviously the work on the music side I have to put out same way. So not do it again. Not do it again, teach. Not do it again. We don't like the AI something them, no. We want the real teacher and everything them. Anyway, let's go.
GUAPI shoes for me jeans, that's right. GUAPI everything so they treat them right. Your girlfriend I say me sneakers nice. Pants and me shirt fit me well.
Nice.
Your girl I say me litty.
Whoop.
We are running city. Clothes clean, style wicked. Goddamn.
Yo, obviously that song have been a preview pan them shots, pan TikTok, but everywhere. So make kind of know the first verse. Well, part of the first verse. Yeah. But still, as I don't know, the first time I hear that song, me go order me GUAPI jacket. So me have me GUAPI jacket. Me not show them. All right.
GUAPI shoes for me jeans, that's right. GUAPI everything so they treat them right. Your girlfriend I say me sneakers nice. Pants and me shirt fit me well. Nice.
The man say your girlfriend I say him sneakers nice. Your girlfriend I admire him. Your girlfriend now admire you in your water boot. She admire the GUAPI G.
Girlfriend I say me sneakers nice. Pants and me shirt fit me well. Nice. Your girl I say me litty. We are running city. Clothes clean, style wicked. Goddamn, I'm litty.
Yeah, goddamn, I'm litty. Goddamn, I'm litty. I'm up. Think fresh. Don't tell us some sneakers fit me. Jeans them fit me and everything. So you know send me up.
This aware.
GUAPI
over here, GUAPI over there. This aware. GUAPI everywhere. Get the food quickly. Use up your brain, school tricky. Teacher, Louis vex with me. Show them GUAPI and fit me.
Man said Louis vex with me. Louis Vuitton vex with him because show the GUAPI at fit him. So I'm tell you say yo, once I GUAPI him got him now go Louis. So Louis I got always vex with him. Louis now get him money. That's what I write us up.
Teacher, Louis vex with me. Show them GUAPI and fit me. From me a little bit me know my style I go like a world quickly.
Yeah.
I saw really hard man said trend. World boss. Every day we different.
Yeah, man, that's a really hard man said trend, man. Every day we different, man. So I'm tell you say yo, from him a little pitney, him know say him said I go like you all world. He know say he was gonna be somebody great. Really like big up myself. Yeah. All right.
GUAPI shoes for me jeans, that's right. GUAPI everything so they treat them right.
Your girlfriend has some sneakers.
Nice. Pants and me shirt fit me well.
Nice.
Your girl I say me litty.
Whoop.
We are running city.
Whoop.
Clothes clean, style wicked. Goddamn, I'm litty.
I this aware.
GUAPI over here, GUAPI over there.
I this aware.
GUAPI everywhere.
Whoop.
Get the food quickly. Use up your brain, school tricky.
Teacher.
Louis vex with me. Show them GUAPI and fit me.
Yeah, that part I don't know.
From me a little bit me know my style I go like a world quickly.
Yeah.
I saw really hard man said trend. World boss. Every day
yeah, we're different.
Your girl I say me litty. We are running city. Close, clean, style, wicked.
So the first verse, we hear it already. Let me hear the second verse now. If you get the second verse.
GUAPI over here, GUAPI over there. This how where. GUAPI everywhere, GUAPI everywhere. Get the food quickly. Use up your brain, school chicken. Teacher, Louis Vex with me.
Show them GUAPI outfit me.
GUAPI shoes for me jeans, that's right. GUAPI everything so they treat them right. Your girlfriend I say me sneakers nice. Pants and me shirt fit me well. Nah.
That pants different, you know.
We are running city. Close, clean.
So we not get the second verse. Alright. I aware, this aware.
GUAPI over here, GUAPI over there. This aware. GUAPI everywhere, GUAPI everywhere. Get the food quickly. Use up your brain, school chicken. Teacher, Louis Vex with me. Show them GUAPI outfit me. This aware. GUAPI over here, GUAPI over there. This aware. GUAPI everywhere, GUAPI everywhere. Get the food quickly. Use up your brain, school chicken.
Boss have them custom GUAPI them.
Show them GUAPI outfit me.
Yo, the G have them custom GUAPI them. Don't fuck around. Custom. Yeah, man, the G have them custom GUAPI them, man. But yeah, like me say, teacher would know say they are Jamaica put in the work. And the music I have to put out here, but we don't want no more AI. I beg your dog. We don't want no more AI. Make that one slide like me say. Make it slide. Make that one yeah. But you know, say GUAPI price gonna be even more now. Cause the price them high now. The price them high. Let me tell you, so the price them high. You see me? I have my jacket inside. Yes, I have my jacket inside already. So you don't know say I GUAPI everywhere. Right. You see me? Yeah, man. Let me know. Want to talk about the AI video knowing say Kartel they are prison. Let me know how you feel about it. Cause I don't want an AI like me say. I don't want an AI video. Kartel is not in prison anymore. Sorry. Kartel not there prison, bro. We don't want an AI, bro. You see me? We don't want an AI. So yeah. We no AI. No AI. We want a real teacher. Let me know what you think what I want in the comment section. Teacher, pick up yourself. Greedy Lion, pick up yourself. Alright? I'll catch you guys in the next one though. Peace.
Yeah, Rars gave her the review, ya feisty dog, feisty of fun.